going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, you're watching this video because you're looking for the best Uber Eats promo codes. Now, these Uber Eats promo codes are going to give you free food and also free account credit. You can simply choose which one you want, and they're both as good as each other. Now, if you've been looking at Uber Eats coupon codes, you know that they're difficult to find, especially ones that are actually worth using and they're actually going to save you money. I found probably the best available Uber Eats codes, and these are going to save you, like I said, at least $100 and also get you tons of free food. So this tutorial, I'm going to run through these steps and show you how to get your Uber Eats promo codes. It takes just a few minutes, so make sure you pay attention and follow these steps in this video to ensure you get your codes as quick and as easy as possible. Okay, so let me record my screen. So you're going to want to grab your mobile phone for this. So I'm sure you have a mobile phone if you're using the Uber Eats app. So just open up the internet on your mobile, and you can see here I'm using an iPhone and I've got Safari open. Now go to Google, and in Google just search this gift card hero. So gift card hero, all one word, and you're looking for giftcardhero.net. This website is pretty awesome, guys. This will basically provide you with all the discount codes you could ever want, as well as gift card codes and more. So you're looking for giftcardhero.net, and when you reach the website, you're going to be obviously looking at tons of different pages. So you need to navigate your way to the Uber Eats page. So hit that green menu button at the bottom. Go up to the search function here and just type in Uber and press search. Now there are two pages. There's Uber as in the travel Uber, and then there's Uber Eats. So just find the Uber Eats page, open that up. Uber Eats promo codes / discount codes / coupons, scroll down, and there are a couple of different codes that you can choose between. They're all replenished and there's tons of codes, so there's no panic about missing out on this. So you can see we have a Uber Eats $100 account credit code, and this is for new and existing customers, and there is also any 3 orders for free, restaurant orders this is, and there is a maximum spend, as you can see, per order of $49. So basically, choose the code you want. This code at the bottom here, the free food orders code, basically is going to just supply you 3 of your next orders for free, as long as they're under $49. And although I'm saying dollars, this will work in your local currency. So for me, this is Great British Pounds, and this will still work. So choose your code and then tap the reveal promo code button. And you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal. This just protects the codes and ensures they go to real people. So to pass this step, we just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks, and you can see I've got a list of tasks here, and they range from installing and playing games to basically free surveys. And once you complete 2 of these tasks, it will unlock your Uber Eats promo code. So you can see here, for example, this top one. I'm just going to go ahead and read it for you. It says, have a chance to win an Argos gift card. Argos is a UK shop, but you're going to get different tasks depending on your country. And you can see it says, fill in your personal valid details and confirm. They're all completely free. So let me click on that top one and just do what it says. Basically, enter in valid email address. And then let's go back and choose a second one. See Family Island, says download, then complete level 8 to unlock the code. So Family Island's basically a game, so I'll click on that and it says open the App Store, yes. Open it up, and basically I just need to download this game from the App Store and get to level 8. So I'm going to do these 2 tasks. I'll pause the video so we don't run too long, and I'll be back. So just went ahead and finished those 2 tasks you saw there. So I played that Family Island game once it downloaded and got to level 8, and then I also just finished off that Argos gift card survey. So once you've fully completed any 2 of these tasks and you made sure you fully completed them, there is also a help function, by the way, down here. So if you get stuck, you can open that up and just ask it whatever questions. So press the tabs once you've done those, and then go back to Gift Card Hero, and there you go. So that button has now given us our code. You can see here, this code is going to basically credit my Uber Eats account $100 when I enter this code into the promotions page on my Uber Eats app. One of you can grab this actually, because I'm not going to use it. I've got enough account credit on there currently. I've still got over $200. So one of you can grab this, and this is going to help one of you out. However, this is going to be used pretty quick, I imagine. So you're going to want to go to giftcardhero.net and follow this tutorial to get your Uber Eats promo codes. I hope you found this video useful. If you need any help, you can always leave a comment below, and I'm always willing to help everyone out who needs it. Please hit that like button if you got your Uber Eats promo code and I helped you save money. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your free Uber Eats food. Peace out.